Can you tell me your name?
My name is Jack Owen.
Oh, yeah? Reese Jack on?
Yeah, Jack Owen.
Yeah. Oh, jacket on?
Yeah.
What's Allie doing?
I'm Mogi.
She's having milkies?
Yeah.
Even Allie says she's having milkies. Sort of. Hi, Allie. You're having milkies. Okay, Reese, tell me what your favorite color is.
My football shirt.
That's your football shirt?
My helmet shirt.
That's your helmet shirt? Is that your favorite color?
My
What's your favorite song? It's not this song, for sure. Is it that song from Madagascar?
yes.
Do you know how it goes? I like to move it, move it. Can you do that song?
I move it.
What other songs do you like? Do you like Twinkle Twinkle?
Yes.
Can you sing that song?
Twinkle star, how wonderful you are.
That's a pretty good rendition of that, kiddo. Can you do your ABCs for me?
A, B, D, E, F, D, H, I, J,
L, M, N, O, P.
Q, Y.
Don't put that on her hair. T, U, V, W, X.
N, E.
Pretty good, kiddo.